Hello everyone, welcome to Solowizzy Academy channel. Good to have you all back. Today I'll be showing you how to convert your video file format, which may be in AVI, MKV or whatever, into MP4 using VLC Media Player. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to your VLC Media Player, you click on it, okay? Then on the VLC Media Player, the next thing you are going to do is to click on the media. Then you click on the convert and save. Then you click on the add. Add is for you to add the video that you've already created. So then I click on it. Then I'll make sure that the name of the file is already there. That shows me that is already selected properly. So I click on open. Then I go to convert and save. After making sure that the selected video file is listed here, then I'll click on convert and save. Then you hold on for a while because a Dropbox is coming up. On this Dropbox you will see the convert setting is already checked. So here I have my video, which is in H264 and MP4, MP3, MP4. So I'm going to click on the edited selected profile to make sure that what I checked is MP4. You can see it here. If yours are not checked, you check on it MP4, then you click on save. The next thing you do is to click on browse. On this browse is going to take you to where your converted file, video file, which that has been converted into MP4 with a save. Now I want to give it a name. I'm going to say soon. Then I'll click on save. Then you hold on because this file that you want to save is going to come out on this place. Then you click on start. On this start, you have to hold on because this is the process where the AVI is being converted to MP4. So you can see it now. Just keep holding on until you keep holding on. Done. So the next thing you do is to go to your So the next thing you do is to check to make sure that it's already converted and saved. So guys, this is it. This is it. Remember to subscribe on my channel for more videos and click on the red notification bell. Thank you. Bye.